I just finished installing my Lifeproof vinyl flooring in this room, and I wanted to make a video to show you what tools I use. If you want to see the methods for installation, you can check out the video I made on how to install vinyl flooring. There's a link right up here you can check out. But this video will focus on the tools that you need. The first thing you'll want to buy is a kit for vinyl floor installation. Most kits come with spacers. These are wedge spacers that you can click together and make various thicknesses. A hammer that's non-marking. A wedge block that you can hit with the hammer to snap the pieces in place. You'll use this for most of the planks. When you get to the end of your install, you'll need this bar. It'll hook onto the end of a plank, and you'll hit this end with the hammer to snap the last row in place. This one comes with non-marking pads on the bottom to make sure you don't scratch your floor. I'll put a link to this exact kit in the description for this video, as well as links to some of the other helpful tools you might want. You'll want a pair of knee pads to protect your knees and make the job more comfortable. You'll want a tape measure and a square for laying out your cuts on your tiles and measuring to make sure everything fits properly. You may need more spacers than what comes in the kit. I like to take a yardstick that you can purchase at Home Depot. They're a 1/4 inch thick, and cut them with a saw to make extra spacers. Now, to cut your tiles, it depends on what tile or plank you're putting down. If it's truly just a vinyl plank, you can cut it with a utility knife. Your square can make a great guide for your cuts. Now, if yours, like the floor I put in here, have wood or bamboo on the top surface, this knife won't be enough to cut it. You'll need to use a miter saw and perhaps a table saw to cut them to fit. You can see how I use those tools in my other video on how to do the floor install. One of the last tools you may need is a coping saw. These are nice because you can change the angle of the blade by pushing levers to adjust. And that lets you make precision cuts to go around trim or other things. And you can angle the blade so you can work the plank in this opening. And it makes it easier to make the cuts. You may also want one of these oscillating multi-tools to cut off the bottoms of your door trim. So I hope you found this video helpful. You can check out my other videos I mentioned to see actually performing the flooring install. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and tell me about it in the comments. You can also subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks.